Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook zucchini and squash in the oven. First, thoroughly wash your zucchini and yellow squash under cool running water to remove any dirt or debris. Next, carefully trim off both ends of each vegetable before slicing them into uniform half-inch thick rounds. This important initial preparation step ensures your vegetables cook evenly and develop the best possible flavor and texture in the oven. It sets the stage for a delicious dish. Now, let's add some wonderful flavor to your prepared vegetables. In a generously sized bowl, gently combine all of your neatly sliced zucchini and yellow squash with 2 full tablespoons of good quality olive oil. Then, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of dried Italian herbs, half a teaspoon of aromatic garlic powder, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Carefully toss the mixture until every piece of vegetable is beautifully and evenly coated with those delightful seasonings. Next, prepare your oven and baking sheet for optimal roasting. Preheat your oven to a precise 400 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring consistent heat distribution throughout the cooking process. Carefully spread the seasoned zucchini and squash in a single, even layer across a large baking sheet. It is truly important to avoid overcrowding the pan, as this allows for proper air circulation, leading to beautiful caramelization and a wonderfully crisp texture on your roasted vegetables. Now, let's talk about the ideal cooking time to achieve perfect doneness. Roast your seasoned vegetables in the preheated oven for about 15 to 20 minutes, making sure to gently turn them halfway through the cooking time for even browning. You are looking for a slightly tender texture and beautifully lightly browned edges, which indicates they are perfectly cooked. Be sure to monitor them closely, as overcooking can unfortunately make the squash mushy and less appealing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.